To create a test in your Blackboard course, go to Course Content, and in the Assessments tab, click on Test. Where it says Add Test, click the button labeled Create. On the next page, give your test a title. In the description field, type in what material your test will cover. Then, type the test instructions in the instruction field. Make sure you are explicit about your expectations and that you include the amount of questions students have to answer and how long they'll have to complete the test. Once you're finished, click on Submit. You will then be brought to the test canvas, where you can start adding questions to the test. To do so, hover your mouse over the button labeled Create Question. From there, you can choose what type of question you want to create, such as true or false, essay, short answer, or for this example, multiple choice questions. On the next page, give your question a title, such as Question 1. Type the question into the question field. Under Options, you can choose to format the numbering of the questions. Under Answers, choose how many choices there are for the question, and remember that the minimum number of answers is 4. Type in each answer in its own box, and for the correct answer, click on the bubble to the left of the box to indicate that this is the right answer. Below Answers, you have the option to provide feedback for students for both correct and incorrect answers. Once you are done, click on Submit. You then have the option to click the plus sign below the question you created to make another question of the same type. If you want to create a different type of question, go up to Create Question and select a different type. If you choose a true or false question, type in the question in the text field and simply indicate whether it's true or false below. For essay or short answer questions, after you type in the question box, you can provide a sample of a correct answer, but when it comes time to grading, you will have to judge the answer yourself. Each question displayed in the canvas contains the question, answer, and the amount of points it's worth. You can change the point value by clicking the number and typing it in. You can also rearrange the questions by clicking on the purple rectangle right next to the question and moving it up or down. When you are done adding questions to the test canvas, click OK at the bottom. You will be brought back to the page listing all of the tests you have created. From there, you can deploy your test. Side note, if you have to add more questions to a test at a later time, you can do so by going to Course Tools in your control panel, clicking on Tests, Surveys, and Pools, clicking Tests, and then clicking on the chevron next to your test and clicking Edit.